With this video, I'd like to show you how I send, believe it or not, about 95,000 emails per day. Okay, this company even pays me cashola, which is kind of nice. Right around $2,300 I make each month by using this company. Okay, now if you're watching my channel or if you just stumbled upon this video, if you have an online business, okay, you're going to need people to at least look at what you got cooking, okay? That's a no-brainer. What is awesome is if people are searching the internet and they put their name and email address in some website, a capture page where they kind of like a baseball, you capture it in your mitt. But there's plenty of websites out there that will get name and email address for people that are just looking to make money online or maybe at home on their cell phone, on their laptop computer, okay? It's all kind of similar, wouldn't you say? Well, I didn't start emailing until about 8 months ago. And boy, I'll tell you what, if I did not email every day, how I'm going to show you, my income would probably drop by $5,000 per month. Every 30 days, 5,000 would just, blow away in the wind. Email, in my opinion, as I sit here July 22nd of 2024, is just as badass as 1994. And I think that's about when I first started getting emails. Okay? You've got mail. All right? We remember AOL pretty darn well, don't we? America Online. Are they still around? I think they are, aren't they? But anyway, I am a big fan of email. And one reason why is because you don't have to get a webcam like this. All right, I got a little ring light. You can see it kind of shining in my glasses here. And if you have a webcam or maybe one of these cell phones, you can chat away in it. But if you do not like to do anything pertaining video, which is probably 95% out of 100 people. I mean, boy, you put 95 people up, they'll say, no, I just don't like my voice. I don't like how I sound. I don't like my appearance. I'm nervous. Maybe you're scared. I get it. A lot of people cannot stand doing video like you're watching right now. And that's okay because I think you're going to be just fine emailing, especially if I can help you with I think I have about 125 email examples that I've used that have worked to get people to click and to watch little short videos. Because at the end of the day, that's what my emails do. All right, they just get people to click something and watch something. And usually within 15 to 20 seconds, people can tell if they're in or out. Or if they're, I'm kind of interested. Maybe I'll watch the whole 5-minute video. But what I like is people that don't want to do anything related to whatever business I'm trying to promote. I like that they can do it on their own time. I don't waste their time. And if they want to say no, they can do it without me sitting there like a salesperson in the backseat trying to sell a car or on the phone like telemarketing. Okay, I'm not desperate at all, guys. The opportunities that I send people, they work. And I think that they're very doable for everybody. And that includes people that are shy and don't want to do any type of video. I stress that so much because the number one thing that always pops up, and this is every single day, is I can't be successful like you, Cory, because you do video. You do a lot of YouTube video. Okay? And yes, that is true. Does video work? In my opinion, yes. Because if I can just sit here without a lot of production and fancy stuff going all over the screen, if I can just talk calmly, if I can even say calmly with you guys, sure, you can get to know me a little bit. You can look me up on Facebook and, oh God, I've been online forever. Okay, you can document who I am, what I do. And I think that the value of video is that you get to know me. Okay, do you like me? Do you trust me? Hopefully you do. Maybe down the road, I'd love to earn your trust. But one thing that I can tell you straight up is that email works. I can tell you this because it's working for me. I like to send out short little emails, and I'll even show you an example. And if you join this opportunity, which I'm going to show you, like I said, I'm going to give you 125 email examples. You can use them or throw them away. Delete them. If you want to use them, just put them in your email campaign, which I'll show you here, and just edit them at the bottom instead of having my information. Put yours. Where my little links are in the email, just make sure they link to where you're going. this company has a full tutorial how to make just a basic email or a fancy one with colors and different graphics and clickable links and pictures. Most of my emails are simple. Okay? I just kind of sheet and get off the pot. Have something nice to say, invite people to click something to watch, and that's what I like to do. It seems to work for me. Okay? So anyway, I want you to go to a web page, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. orderleadstoday.com. Okay, the link is going to be right below this video. orderleadstoday.com. Please watch this YouTube video. And if you like what you see, and you can get a hold of me if you need to. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere, guys. I'm not shy. If you like what you see, then click this red button that says Join MLGS. Okay? Go ahead and click it. It's very affordable. $1 a day, $30 a month can get you either 3,000 or 6,000 email leads. These are people looking for business opportunities online. Okay? So watch this YouTube video, and if you'd like to join, just click this red thing. You can't miss it. It's a little banner. And if you're on the fence, go ahead and just click, if you like, I use, what's this called? Google Chrome. Hit that little star and you can bookmark this page and you can watch this YouTube later. But if you do join, let me show you what it looks like in the back office. Okay? My lead gen secret, my MLGS. Okay, that's what you're joining. This company's been around a long time. They give out leads to you. All right? In my case, do you see where it says select all here in the middle of your screen? Check it out. I can send 62,300 email leads just by clicking send. And what I do, and this is what I want you to do if you join, go through these tabs, just read about what's going on. But the meat and potatoes is the mailing system, the one right in the middle. Now, to learn how to just make a simple email or one that has pictures and graphs and all that other stuff, graphics, just right here, click here to watch training video. Super easy, okay? And then you just go down to the select all and see all these leads were over here on the left side. Now they're in the chute ready to go. And see how I get 200 leads a day? I'm going to show you how to get 200 instead of 100. And look at that, 62,300. I can right now just show you an email I sent out about an hour or two ago, okay? Here's the subject I used. What's taken so long? Well, let me load it in, because this company saves every email I've sent over the last year. And I'll give you all the emails that have worked. See where the subject is now filled in with what's taken so long? Now I scroll, say hi to the owner here. And right here, you guys have seen boxes like this, okay? And what it'll do is it will load an email. Okay, now let me log in real quickly for you because I want to show you just a basic email that I use. This is an example of what I'll send you, and it's free. You can delete my emails or edit them. And this is a real video that I just sent about an hour or two ago. Okay. Hey there, what's taken so long? All right, here's the absolute bottom line. I'm not offering you a complicated business that's a nightmare to set up. I'm offering you an insanely profitable, minimal effort business with step-by-step video with training. You'll have power to quit your job and become your own boss. Now see how this link is highlighted like this? They just click it and it'll go to my business opportunity. And if you want to see what this one's about, go to pleasewatchvideo.com. I own that domain and that's my biz. So I have to ask, how are you going to spend your first paycheck? All right. And then I just do a little bit more of chit chat. And then here again, see where the link says done for you system. If people click it, it goes to pleasewatchvideo.com again. Let's get you started. And I put my cell, my email address, my Facebook link and YouTube channel. And then at every email, I always like to put email to unsubscribe. Because if people don't want to have anything to do with this company, they can unsubscribe with this company, My Lead Gen. Or they can email me directly and just say, hey, please unsubscribe. And what I like to do, and if I know their name is, let's say, Mark or Sharon, I like to write them and say, hey, Sharon, thanks. I got you off my list, but thanks for your time. And I do the same thing for Mark or anybody. And I hardly get any unsubscribes because these people are coming to me looking for a business opportunity. Okay, now see at the bottom it says 21 hours. Now every 23 hours you can send out one email. And in my case, I got 63,000 going out. So over 24 hours, it takes a long time to send that many out. But see in 21 hours how it's counting down? All right, so basically tomorrow, when this zeroes out, it's going to say send and preview. That means I can send an email, and if I want to preview what this email here in the middle of your screen looks like, it'll pop a box out and I can check the spelling, what it looks like, and I can click the links to make sure that they download and they go where they need to go. Because a lot of times people forget HTTPS, or maybe they need a www. Sometimes they just put com instead of .com. You always want to check your links no matter what. Okay? Now this button here, see when you hit the little button there? Perfect timing. This means this software, before they send every single email, they can tell what's the best time that people open their email. Each individual email address they can tell. And sometimes it's in the morning when people get up, sometimes at noon during lunch. Maybe it's just all during the day. Or some people check all their email when they get home from work. But this software can tell what's the best time to send each email to people based upon when the frequency is that they open their email the best. And the reason why is because if people open their email at 8 in the morning every day pretty consistently, this software, if it's ready to send, it'll send an email like at 7:55, 5 minutes before. That way we might be at the top. Because everyone knows emailing is a numbers game. And a lot of people just delete. Okay? So anyway, now how do you go from 100 leads to 200 leads like I have? Well, right here, see where it says affiliates? Well, when you click affiliate and you go to the promo tools, what I recommend you do, see number 2, the second one down, sizzle page? Well, guess what? That's the sizzle page. You're going to look at it and you're going to watch the video produced by this company. Guys, I have over 500 people doing this. I have 5 accounts with this company because it's only $1 a day. Well, I just sign up underneath myself and I get 200 leads instead of 100. So guys, if you want to put a link to the sizzle page on every email you blast out, sooner or later people are going to look at this opportunity and go, my God, I got $1 a day. I got $30 a month. For 3,000 leads, well, if you get one person just to sign up underneath you with the affiliate, you now get 200. 200 times 30, what is that? 6,000. Okay, guys? So get excited, especially if you're shy and you don't want to do video. This is such a killer opportunity. Please look into this. Just go to orderleadstoday.com. Okay, it's pretty easy to remember, right? Okay, and thank you for your time. Okay, 12 minutes sure goes fast when you kind of do a little chit chat and you show your screen, but I think you guys are going to like the video that is produced. It's short, don't worry about it. I don't send people to videos that are 30, 60, 90 minutes and it wastes all your day. I like to invite people to short little videos. My favorite time is like 5 to 10 minutes. I think in that amount of time you can kind of explain your opportunity without rushing and hauling ass, okay? All right, so here's your homework. Orderleadstoday.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I sure appreciate your time, okay, guys? All right, peace and love. All right, get a hold of me if you need something. All right, take care. We'll see you soon. Bye.